On Windows 11 23H2, we can get information from the internet using the search. We don't have to open a browser. We click search and we enter what we need to know from the internet in the search box. See, it shows here. We didn't have to open a browser. We can look up meaning of words here. See, we can shop from here. See that? We can do maths in the search box too. See that? If you want to change the search icon and label, you can right click and click Taskbar settings. Click on this to change it to search box or search icon only. You can see that. Again, the next time you want to get information from the internet, you don't have to open a browser, just enter what you want to know. See that? See, keep this in mind as you use your Windows 11 23H2 PC.